May is starting in 2 days, so I thought let's do a setup reset. So here it is. Okay, so now I've got the desk cleared, I'm just gonna like wipe it down and rearrange everything. I have the cleaning stuff, let's go. Alright, so I finished cleaning the desk, so let's wipe down everything and put it back up. Okay, so now I've got all of that wiped down and set back on the desk. Let's sort out all the wires. So the cable management under here isn't the best, but yeah, I'm just gonna not redo everything, but like plug everything in that goes under here. So let me do that. So I think we're all finished. Everything seems to be plugged back in. I mean, I'll know when I'll start everything up and something's not working. But yeah, so that's it. I just remembered that's not everything. We still got to put up the accessory bits. So let's do that. Now we're finished. So thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next video.